Hi everybody, I'm here in Australia, Melbourne to be precise, and I'm visiting our brand new service center we've just opened here. It's really exciting for us to be in country in Australia. We've got almost 100 planes flying around here, and we're going to be providing the best possible support, the OEM support to that fleet.
We've designed this facility specifically around supporting two Global 7500s at the same time. When we're at full capacity, we'll have 65 staff, including 48 highly trained technicians on site here at Essendon Fields. We have the privilege of working on approximately 50,000 square feet of hangar, office space, workshops, warehouse and apron. So this is really exciting for Bombardier and our new home at Essendon Fields in Melbourne, Australia. And I thank everyone for all the efforts that everyone has provided within Bombardier to support this vision and establish this great capability for our customers in the region.